Is my marriage making me depressed? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Comment, your relationship expert. And today I want to answer an email that I received from a man. He asked me, Alex, do you think it's my marriage making me depressed? I not feel alive. I feel sad every single day. That can happen, guys. This is life. This is marriage. This is love. We have the good moments and sometimes we have the bad moments. But when we are in the situation of a bad moments, we need to find a solution. I cannot guarantee you that your marriage is making you depressed. But what I've learned from my job is when you love someone, your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, and you're feeling that your relationship is not so good. It's not like at the beginning. At this moment, you can feel depressed. You can feel all the sadness of the world because you want to come back to the situation where you can feel the butterflies all over your body, where you can text each of your friends and say how much you're happy. I know this is what you want. And if your marriage is bringing you a depression, we need to change some actions. Number one, most of the time, we are waiting for our partner to bring us happiness. It's not the marriage that are going to make you depressed. It's the life. What happens if today, not tomorrow, today, you make the decision to be happy? You make the decision to enjoy every single second of your life. What will happen? You will leave this depression. And this is why it's so important. We are all doing these videos. Coach Adrian all the time talk about your personal development, your personal growth, where we are focusing on you. So I'm not saying that your marriage is not the problem. I'm saying that the solution is within yourself. If you feel depressed, if you feel sad, if you feel that your partner is not giving you much love that you want, it's time to change. But it's not going to change if you ask him or ask her to give you more love, to change, to be able to think about you. That will never change because it will never be enough. If you are looking for the love outside you, it will never be enough. So today you have to make a decision. And I want to read your comment. I want you to make the decision to be happy in your life. And I want you to make the decision to leave this depression state because you deserve the happiness. Because you deserve the best. You deserve the real strong relationship. So number one, we have to make this decision. Number two, we have to ask ourselves, why is my marriage making me depressed? What is the problem? Am I looking for love outside? Or is it this relationship in a routine? Is this relationship without communication? Or maybe you're not on the same path together. And it will be time to change all your bad habits. It's time to every single day enjoy every single second because at this moment, your ex, your partner will see you differently. And it's time now to change. So the right action is to leave a comment, to give a like, and to subscribe to Love Advice TV. Every single day we are here for you. Every single day we are giving you some advice. And this is why I'm doing these videos, because we can change your love life. So if you want to go further, come on withmyexagain.com. You have tons of articles and you can book a private coaching session with me. If you're feeling depressed because of your marriage, it's time to change. It's time to maybe focus more on yourself. And you will see that the solutions are so easy. If not, with a coaching session, we can just get a tailored plan for you and for your specific situation. I will see you soon for a new video, but remember something. Love is possible. Love is everywhere. You can bring positive emotions into your life, into your marriage. And then your partner will follow you. Will follow you because you will become the best version of yourself. I'm not saying it's your fault. I will never say that. I'm just saying you have the solution within yourself. And that's the most important things to know. I will see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.